Hello guys, how are you? 这些天很多人生病了. These days, many people getting sick, like cold, cough, and flu because of changing the weather. So please try this to cure yourself and get well soon. So guys, first you have to boil the water like this, and then if the water boiling like this, switch it off, put it on it like this in a plastic bowl, and after that you have to put this balm. It's a Chinese balm which is I use in India also, and it is really good. So you can put little bit, so like this you can take it little bit and put it, mix it in a water like this, and after that you can cover your face with your towel with the balm and the hot water like this. And if it is hot, and then you can open little bit and take it for 10 or 20 minutes, as much as you can, but don't burn your face, okay? It's like it's a hot, and it's take a breath with your nose and the mouth and heart. After that you will feel like better and feel good. Just take it this for 2 to 3 times in a day if you are sick. And if you are not sick, if you are feel uncomfortable, something like in hair or like a running nose, something like that, you can use it for 1 day, one time, and see the result. And if you don't have this balm, and like you can buy on Taobao, and if you are here near to me, I will give it to you. Enjoy guys. It's really easy and effective home remedy. I usually apply it when I'm sick or feeling uncomfortable. It's really work. Try it guys and send me e-bag why. Take care guys. Enjoy guys. Bye bye.